Hi friends, in this tutorial I will show you how you can convert an MBR disk to a GPT disk and vice versa. MBR supports only 4 partition entries. So if you want more partition, like if you want more hard drives like drive C, drive D, drive V, drive F, drive G. If you need more than 4 partition in your hard disk, then you need to convert your partition from MBR to GPT. First of all, let's go ahead and check the partition type. Press the Windows and R key simultaneously to open the run command. Now type here compmgmt.msc and hit enter button. Whatever command I'll use over here, I'll show you in the description below so that you can easily copy and remember those commands. Now after opening the computer management, click on the disk management. In the disk management system, select the disk type, like I have disk 0 and disk 1. I'll select disk 0, right click on the disk 0 and click on the properties button. Click on the volume button and you can see easily over here my partition style is MBR, which is master boot record. So now let's go ahead and convert it into GPT. There are two methods. First method I'll show you using the command prompt. Click on the Windows button and type here CMD. Now right click on the CMD program and click on Run as Administrator. Now type here disk part and hit enter. After typing the disk part, type list disk and again hit enter. List space disk. Now it is showing me two disks. Disk 0 is almost 600 GB and disk 1 is around 15 GB. So here you have to choose your disk which you want to convert from MBR to GPT. Like here I'll choose disk 1. Disk 1 and hit the enter button. Now here the type 1 is selected. Now here you simply need to type convert space GPT and hit the enter button. After hitting the enter button, your disk will be converted into GPT. But by following this step, your data will be lost because your drive will be completely formatted. So if you don't bother about losing the data, you can choose this method which is completely free of cost and very easy to use. I am not going to hit the enter button because I don't want to convert the disk to GPT. I'll close it. This is the method 1. And second method is by choosing EasyUS Partition Master. Open the software. This software full version is paid at the EasyUS Partition website, but I'll provide you the download link to download this software crack version at completely free of cost. So check the description below to download this software with crack version, and it won't charge you a single penny. The software is completely free of cost. Now go back to the migration from MBR to GPT. Here it is showing me again disk 0 and disk 1. These two disks I have. Whichever disk you want to convert from MBR to GPT, right click on the disk and click on convert to GPT. After clicking on the convert to GPT, all your data is saved in your computer and your disk will be automatically converted to GPT. Which means by using this software, all your data is completely safe and your disk will be completely converted to GPT. And if you want to convert GPT to MBR, follow the same procedure and your data will be completely safe. This is the second method that you need to follow. You can choose any one of the process depending upon the data, if you want to save your data or you don't bother losing your data. Thank you so much friends. This is all about conversion of MBR to GPT and vice versa. If you face any issue, kindly go ahead and comment below and I'll there to help you at every step. Thank you so much friends.